125cc bikes aren't boring anymore. They are smarter, sportier, and way more fun than ever before. And in today's video, we are counting down the top 5 best 125cc bikes you should buy in 2025. But hang on, there's a special appearance at the end that will surprise you. So make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's roll. Starting off with the TVS Raider 125, the bike that basically changed how we look at 125cc machines. You get a punchy 124.8cc engine, putting out 11.4 PS, segment-leading pickup, and that sweet 5-speed gearbox. Features: a digital TFT screen, Smart X Connect, and even ride modes. Mileage around 57 km per liter. Price just under ₹1 lakh. Value and performance perfectly balanced. Hero came back swinging with the Xtreme 125R, and it's honestly one of their best-looking bikes ever. Powered by a 124.7cc engine, making 11.4 PS. This one gets ABS, LED projector headlamp, and muscular styling inspired by higher cc bikes. It's light, agile, and feels properly premium for its price. Perfect for city riders who still want that sporty edge. Next up is the reliable workhorse Honda SP125. It's not flashy, but it nails the basics. Fuel-injected engine, superb mileage, 60+ km per liter, silent start tech, and bulletproof reliability. Perfect if you want a smooth, efficient daily bike without drama. It's more about comfort than adrenaline, and it does that job perfectly. And now, the one you are waiting for, the KTM Duke 125. It's not for everyone, priced around ₹1.8 lakh, but it's the most premium 125cc bike in India. Liquid-cooled engine, trellis frame, ABS, upside-down forks. It's basically a Duke 200 in disguise. If budget's not an issue and you want the best-looking 125cc bike out there, this is your flex. So, which 125cc would you pick in 2025? The tech-packed Raider, the stylish Xtreme? Drop your choice in the comments and let's see which one rules this year's 125cc segment. And hey, if you watch till the end, you are the real one. Like, share, and subscribe for more moto content. See you in the next ride.